stars, welcome back to my channel. We are on our way to Bantayan Island, and so I'll be sharing with you our experience going there from Hagnaya Port. Another new normal travel update. So if you guys are interested to know more, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. So we already paid for the round trip, less exposure. We don't have to pay anymore on our way back home. And by the way, we also paid for the terminal fee, which is, how much is it? 170 pesos. By the way, make sure to have the QR code from the resort where you are booked before crossing. That is one requirement you need to have. New normal. To Bantayan Island, and as you can see, we are just inside the car. So that is a tip for you all to avoid exposure. Just stay inside your car. Other tips, as you've seen, our car is quite lowered, so if your vehicle is lowered, do not cross during high tide. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, ask for assistance from the staff so that they can guide you. And tip number 3, unload passengers so that your car will be higher as it passes on the ramp.
sir. Punta. Ay, asam tayo ng ecological fee, sir? Naray mo doon na mo? Sige. Sige. Okay, salamat, sir. Sir, unsan ecological na no? Ecological?
Sa barangay
Ah, pila man ni sir? 20 ra? Oh, salamat.
Ikaw mo sa wala.
Ah, muli ko pa na. Mo muna ko kami din na. Anak ko sala. Ah, sige, salamat. Eight, sir, eight. Ito lang, sir, kamera.
Finally here in Bantayan Island. Okay, so upon arrival, even if you are bringing a vehicle, a representative still needs to go down bringing all of your IDs. So you have to show your QR code, booking confirmation, and your IDs, and then you pay the ecological fee.
sir?
Oo, tapil, sir.
Kanina? Salamat. Salamat sir. Salamat sir.
So we are now back here in Cebu. Now if you've noticed from our videos on our way to Bantayan and back, it was easier for us to load our vehicle, our car, when it was low tide on our way back from Bantayan to Cebu. So we really suggest that if you have a lowered vehicle, then you check the weather forecast and cross during the low tide. And also it was very convenient for us on our way back. We did not go out anymore. We just went straight ahead to the barge because we already paid for round trip tickets. So that is a tip for you all.